morning, everyone. It is April 12th, 2025. Headed to Mexico this weekend. We're gonna be camping just outside of Punta Cangrejo. Be camping on the beach. My plan is to basically relax and fish all weekend. My main goal is to not get skunked fishing. So it is 6:49 a.m. and I am headed over to my buddy Peter's house. So there's gonna be 3 of us. Should be a good time. Anyways, all right, well, hope you enjoy the video. This is normally the amazing view coming over Crown Valley to PCH. It's all overcast. All right, we're gonna stop right before the border. Gas up. All right, so we just exchanged US dollars for pesos. Now we are going to pick up our visas. All right, so we just got our visas. Now we are headed across the border. There's Mark over there. He's about to get popped by a huge wave. Take a quick stop. Peter's something's rubbing on his fender. What is it when you're turning? You hear it rubbing or something?
Yeah, his wheel well is dipping down. You see it right there?
Yep. Yep, that looks like work Peter does. Peter's gonna circumcise the rest of his vehicle.
This is a Baja fix.
You may want to go higher, Peter, because you can see where it's rubbing. Right here. See right here? I'm just saying, you see that rubbing?
Yeah, I mean, if it's cut like this,
okay,
it's not a problem.
Oh, hey, buddy. Hope you find some food in there. just got to San Quintin. If you look off to the right, you can see volcanoes. That's where we are headed.
It's one snake eating another snake.
High tide came in, got a little sketched out, and ended up building a berm to keep camp dry. All right, good morning. Here is the view. Well, good morning, everyone. It's Sunday. I came out here, San Quintin. There's our camp over there. Wanted to try out sand fishing. There's what I'm working with right now. There's my first bad boy right there. On the battle bait. This dude didn't even wait in line.
He is the line. You gotta peel it.
Mark, see this. There you go.
Good right there.
Right here. Yes. There's the final product. There's this guy's stash. This guy's stash. They only left me a few. This is how we do it. When you find a level spot, I need to put a little bit of air in one of my tires. I think I've got a slow leak because it's at 14 pounds, so I just want to add a little bit more. Thank you. It's like you're holding old man underwear.